Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Colorful nvidia RTX 20606GB gddr6. So how to download driver? So this is a link, and this is website. Actually I give you a link in description, so you directly click and download your drivers. Okay, so this is latest for Windows 11. This is latest for Windows 10. This is 64 bits, and if you're using Windows 7, 64 bit is also available. 32-bit is not available, so if you have such 32-bit is not installing the drivers. Okay, so you can Windows 11, so click to download, and this is downloading setup, and just when done you click so next and restart your computer and then check. Okay, and you can also available BIOS and manual. Okay, this is manual, so all working in operating systems. Windows 10 is not available, but you can try it if not work driver and manual also. So Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, 8, 10, 8.1, 30-bit, 64-bit, just to download. Okay, so guys, now this is downloading, and just click to open and then next restart options. Okay, this link I will give in description, so you copy paste from here.